That's a hit. Let's do it again. That's a hit. There you go, 200 yards. That's one. That's right there. All right, folks, here we are. Beautiful John length with the Bergara B14R and the scope mate. We took me a minute to try to get it all focused, but we got it in. So here we are, the iPad. By the way, folks, today we are doing the Cicada. Down there is the 50 yards lane. So thank you for watching, and let's get shooting. Whoa, that was too high, missed that one. Go to that one in the corner. It's still hitting high, guys. Wow. Go to the one right here. Maybe we hit that one. Wow, we had to aim really low. Okay. Well, that's another challenge right here. Wow. All right, I think I need to re-zero with CenterX. All right, I think we missed that one. Let's go for the next roll. You can see I'm aiming really low, and the wind is going to the right. It's a little windy here at the stand, so yeah. Alright, looks like we touched that one. So we aiming low.
Yeah. I shot that last one. On the green dot, I didn't shot one for you.
Alright, folks, looks like we got through one round. Magazine. Let's try the next magazine. Sorry about that shaking.
I don't know, you reckon they'll do that?
So, alright, now let's see. We're gonna go for this one right here. We're gonna go low. Gonna go really low on this one. Look at that wind going towards the right. So I'm gonna guess.
that thing and he switches out. So he wants to switch out early, that's all on him. Yeah, see what you're saying?
Okay, I think we touched the hit. All right, the next one.
Go ahead.
Still going to the right, the wind. I feel the wind right here at the stand. Ooh, we missed that by a hair. All right, the next one. Oh, he has one. That one right here, and maybe has another one on his arms. They don't have arms. Whatever they have. Well, I think I touched maybe the head. Alright, let's try the tiny one. I don't know if I shot it or not. Here we go. Ah. All right, the bottom ones. All right, we're still shooting. Okay, the wind died now, so let's go center mass. Go low here. Maybe we hit it, I'm not sure, can't see very well. Alright folks, this one here, wind is still going to the right. Ooh, it's gusty now, you can see it. Oh, I think I missed it. Alright, let's see. We'll try that little fly. It's hitting high, so I'm gonna aim really low. Like right there. And that was it, folks. I don't think I got any more rounds. So stand by, see how we did. Alright, folks. Here we are in the shade. It is pretty hot and windy. You saw it on the video. Well, we didn't do too good. We did 11. I was aiming and some of these lower. Somehow the La Pua CenterX was hitting about 2 inches high in some cases. All right, so well, there you have it. 11. I'm coming back. I'll say like the Terminator, I'll be back. Well, folks, we appreciate you watching. Thank you for subscribing, share with someone. Come and join us. We like to have fun. And as always, have fun. Be safe. And God bless. See you downrange.